Yep, nigga like we. T to the J, cheap black, half man production. Hot sauce, coming out soon, man. You don't know. A nigga like me, work hard to survive every day. In the morning when I pray, I thank the Lord. Cause shit in the world is crazy. Niggas wanna hate me, cause I'm making this pages. You see, it's Mr. Chief from the 8-bar camp. Nigga better understand, I've been there and done that. So don't stop, nigga, get gun clap. You heard that? You know my stats, yo. C to the H-I dot. Busy, cause you know I'm keeping it greasy. When the ladies come see me, for sheezy, gotta have something to please me. Cause every other shit just fucking amuse me, yo. So best you learn, the best be burnt. I ain't playing, I'm about to take my turn. Another chapter, after I got money to burn. You think it's funny? I'm just doing this for fun. To make my funds, I make other things happening. Like making sure all my peeps are well dealt. A piece of the pie, I tell no lie. I'm trying to even get me a wife to hold me down for life. Yeah, T to the J. I don't want a nigga like you,
Check it, yo. See a nigga like me, you can't mess with blood. I was born a saint, now I'm a fucking menace. I blame myself, cause we are who we are. This the path I chose, but the streets didn't help. A nigga like me, I'm always down for the grind. Always ride for my niggas. My niggas beef, my nigga, I'm down for my niggas. A nigga like me, hustle hard every day. I'm a paper chaser, you should call me Henry. Whether money greens or the greeny greens, I like the 20s. Cause a nigga like me, puff rings every day. Inhale to the nose, exhale to the nose. Stay high all day, make a nigga like me write sick rhymes.
Yeah. UK stand up, the hustler kids. That's right. The Anthem Part 2. Check it. I'm a hustler, that's who I roll with. Fake brothers better recognize if you don't know this. We got chicks and chips and we hold clips, man. I've been through hard times, better know this, man. So listen up when I tell you that I'm focused, man. I seen a lot of niggas trying to stop my shine. That's why I sit back and take my time. Like a fine wine, I get better with age. This is the next stage, the 8 World's evolution. We're starting a rap revolution. For those who don't know, now you know. We're trying to get a couple of more bowls and all those awards that you can get from award shows, yo. 8 was the label, hustlers the team. So holla back when you see just niggas on the scene. That's me, C to the H-I, B-L-C-K. My niggas Big Cash and T to the J. This is what we do for a living, yo. Every day's a back away and don't be foolish like a Shantae. Cause if you do, you might get lost like a dog that went astray. You heard me?